Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss the solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 22 October and we will start from class 6th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. So we have our question number first. In question number first, it is said which of the following is a fundamental physical quantity. So we can see here force, speed and velocity are derived fundamental quantity and amount of substance is a fundamental quantity. So correct answer is option C. Next question is which of the following is a non-luminous, that means which do not produce its own light, and natural light source. So out of these four options, directly we can see here the planets are non-luminous but a natural light source. So correct option is B. Next question number 3. In question number 3, it is asked a measuring scale is shown in the figure below. Here we can see it. What is the minimum length that can be measured using this scale once only? So we can see here in this scale we can measure the minimum value, that is 1 millimeter, 1 mm. So correct answer is option B. Next question number 4. So in question number 4, we have to check which of the statements are true and which are false. So the first statement is the shape and size of shadow does not depend on the shape and size of the object. It is a false statement because we know that shape and size of shadow depends on the shape and size of object. So this statement is false. In reflecting periscopes, plane mirror are placed at an angle of 45 degrees, which is absolutely correct statement. So it is true. A real image is formed by real intersection of light rays. That is the definition of a real image. So this is also a true statement. So now let us check which code is correct. So false, true, true. We can see here false, true, true. That is option B is our correct answer. Next question number 5. In question number 5, it is said prefix micro is used for. We know that the micro prefix is used for 10 raised to power minus 6. So correct option is B. Next question number 6. In question number 6, we have to match the column 1 with the relative quantities in given column 2. So we can see here the virtual image. So in column 2, we can see virtual image is formed by plane mirror. So for P, the code is 2. Shadow. We know that shadow is formed in the absence of light. So that means for Q, the correct code is 3. And real image, the pinhole camera forms real image. So for R, it is code 1. So our correct code is 231. Let us check. 231. That is option A is our correct answer. Next question number 7. So here a figure is given. One day Virat and Rohit were observing the ball coming towards them, hit by a batsman. They saw that the ball is moving as shown in figure. We can see here the ball is moving straight and also having a rotational motion. So out of these 4 options, directly we can see the motion here. Out of these 4 options, the correct answer is option B, that is rotatory. So we have discussed the solutions of physics subject. I request you to please subscribe this YouTube channel for information regarding Matrix Olympiad result and prizes. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Now we will discuss the chemistry part of class 6th. Yes, the question is, which of the following statement is not true? First statement is, a soft material can be scratched easily. Oil mixes with water. A soluble material disappears in water. And the fourth option is, rubber is an insulator. So, which of the following statement is not true? Okay, so let's see the first option. A soft material can be scratched easily. This is a true statement. We can easily scratch the soft material. Third option is, a soluble material disappears in water. This is also a true statement because we know that when we dissolve something in water and when it is miscible, then it is disappear. And the fourth is, rubber is an insulator. This is also a correct statement. But oil mixes with water. This is totally incorrect statement, because we know that oil and water are immiscible liquids, so they can't mix with each other. So the option B is not a true option. Let's see the next question. Let's see the ninth question. You are provided with the following materials: dry wood, second option is metallic sheet, third option is rubber tube, and fourth option is iron nails. Which of the above material will you classify as non-lustrous material? What is the meaning of non-lustrous and lustrous? Lustrous is a property of metal, means property have free electron, and because of that free electron, it show shiny look. So the dry wood is not a metal, so it does not show the shiny look. It means it is non-lustrous. Now let's see the metallic sheet. Metallic sheet show the lustrous nature. Rubber tube also a non-metal which show non-lustrous property. And iron nail. Iron is a metal, because of the free electron, or we can say because of their shiny look, they give lustrous property. So the option first and third, means option C is the right option. Now let's see the next question. Which of the following pair is an example of synthetic fiber? There are two types of the fiber. The fibers which obtained from the nature are called natural fiber, and the fibers which are made up in the labs, or we can say that man-made substances, are called synthetic fiber. So let's see first option, silk and nylon. Nylon is an artificial fiber, but silk is a natural fiber. Let's see the next option, B, polyester and cotton. Polyester is a synthetic fiber, but cotton is a natural fiber which is obtained from the cotton plant. Next is polyester and nylon. Polyester and nylon both are the synthetic fibers. So option C is the right option. And option D, nylon and jute. Nylon is an artificial fiber, but jute is a natural fiber. So option C is the right option. Now let's see the next question. Which of the following statement is or are true or false? Let's see the first statement. Jute fiber is obtained from the fruit of the jute plant. No, it is not obtained from the fruit. It is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. So this statement is a false statement. Now let's see the second statement. Silk fiber is drawn from the mulberry tree. No, it is not drawn from the mulberry tree. Second option is silk fiber is drawn from the mulberry tree. It does not fall from the mulberry tree. Actually, the silk fiber eat the mulberry leaves and produces larva, and that larva after convert into cocoon, and that cocoon releases the silk fiber. So this option is also a false statement. Next, third is the process of making fabric from a single yarn is called ginning. No, this is also a false statement. The process of making fabric from a single yarn is called knitting. So it is also a false statement. So false, false and false means option D is a right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. Match the column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So let's see the column number 1, wool, rayon and cotton. And in the column number 2, artificial silk, vegetable fiber and give smell of burning fiber. So let's see the options. Artificial silk. We know that rayon is known as the artificial silk. So Q matched with the first option. Vegetable fiber. Cotton is a vegetable fiber. We know that cotton obtained from the plant of cotton. We can say that from the seeds of cotton ball, we obtain the cotton. So cotton is a vegetable fiber. And the third is give smell of burning hair. So wool is give smell of the burning hair. So P match with third option, Q match with first option and R match with second option. So 3, 1, 2. So option C is the right option. Now let's see the next question. Every day you come across a long number of things. Some of these things are living while others are non-living. All these do not have the same shape, size, color and utility. You use them according to your needs and their properties. We group things based on a certain property like similarity, dissimilarity or a particular use that they may have in a common. Such grouping is called classification. Okay, so now let's see the question. Which is a set of transparent and opaque materials? So let's see the option number first. Glass and air. Glass and air both are the transparent substance. So this is not a right option. Next is water and glass. Water and glass both are the transparent substance. So this option is also not a right option. So next is wood and iron. Wood and iron both are the opaque material. So let's see the option C. In the question asked with which is a set of transparent and opaque material. So water is a transparent and charcoal is an opaque material. So option C is the right option.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for biology for class 6th. First question for this paper. Rearing and management of fishes on large scale is called large scale for commercial purpose. Number 1, agriculture, apiculture, pisciculture and horticulture. Our right answer for this question, pisciculture. That is a management of fishes on large scale production for commercial purpose. Option C is the right answer for this question. Next question. Which of the following is a source of both calcium and phosphorus? Option first, leafy vegetables. Second, sugar. Third, milk and banana. For right answer, this question for milk. Milk is the right answer for calcium source and phosphorus. Then option C is the right answer for this question. Next. All the deficiency disease can be prevented by deficiency disease. Option first, cleanliness, taking antibiotics, vaccination and taking balanced diet. Taking balanced diet is the right answer because deficiency of so many minerals, vitamins, that is completed by taking balanced diet. So our right answer for this question is option D, taking balanced diet. Next question. Which of the following food item is rich in iron? Iron source, spinach. Spinach is the right answer. First option A. Seafood, no. Milk, calcium and phosphorus, all of these, no. So right option is spinach is for iron. Rich source, rich in iron, rich mean iron source. Apple, spinach is the right answer. So, according to option is spinach is right answer. Next question. Match the column first and column second. Column first, cereals, spices and oils. Cereals for rice, wheat, maize and barley. Next, spices, add flavor to food, flavor. Next, oil mostly extracted from seed. So according to column first, 2, next 3, next 1. 2, 3, 1 is the right sequence for column. 2, 3 first. Option A. Option A is the right answer for match the column. Next. Which of the following statements true and false? True and false. First, lion is omnivorous. No, lion is carnivorous. Wrong. False statement. Plants give us more varieties of food than animal, right? More varieties. Medicines, so many fruits, vegetables, so varieties are more compared to animal, right? True. Cooked food can be easily consumed and absorbed by our body. Cooked food, consumed and absorbed. So, right, true. Then according to question, false, true and true. Then in option, false, true, true. Option D is the right answer for this question. False, true, true. Next question. Insectivorous plant. Eat insect. These plants derive most of their nutrition from insect. Which of the following is an insectivorous plant? Option first, orchid. Second, Venus flytrap is the right for this insectivorous plant, Venus flytrap. Next, pitcher plant, right, insectivorous. And next one is water lily. Water lily is not insectivorous. So, second and third is the insectivorous plant. According to option, only second, no. Only first, no. Second and third is the right answer for this question. Third and fourth is wrong. So, right answer is option C for this question. So, these are the biology solution for class 6th. Thank you.
The discussion of Matrix Olympiad paper for class 6th, I am here to discuss the solution of part 4th, that is of mathematics. So here, let's begin with the solution of first question of this part. Here, the first question of this part is, commas are inserted in a number after each. So we have to put the correct option in place of this blank. So here, the correct option is option B, that is period. We know that in international system or in Indian system, the first row, as you have already seen in your books, that the table is like this, in which the first row is known as the periods. Here we have ones, thousand, lakhs, and so on. And in the second row, we have places like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So here, the first row is known as period and the second row is known as place. So here, we have to put the commas in a number after each period. So here the correct option is option B. Now the 22nd question is 3 lakh people visited a park in 200 days. So we have total number of people 3 lakh and total number of days we have 200. So here the next statement says that same number of people visited the park every day. It means the number of people visited park in one day is same in rest of the days also. So we have to find out how many people visited the park in one day. So we have to find out the total number of people visited in one day, that park. So here 3 lakh people is divided by 200 so that we can get the number of people who visited a park in one day. So here 3 lakh divided by 200 is 1500. So here option C is the correct answer. The next question is, what is the successor of 1 million? So let's write down 1 million. So this is 1 million and we have to find out the successor of this. For successor, we have to add 1. So here we get the answer as 1,000,001. It means 1,000,001 is the correct answer. So let's find out in which option it is. Here, yes, in the B option it is written 1,000,001. So B option is the correct answer. Now the next question is, what is the number name for this in Indian system? So for Indian system, we have to first place the commas. Now here, the comma will be placed after the 2 digits, 700, 1 stands 100, then comma, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So here, 90 crore, 80 lakh, 700 is the correct number name for this number. So let's find out in the option, which option shows the correct number name of this number. So here first option is 90 crore 8 lakh. So first option is incorrect. Second is 9 crore because it is already given 90 crore. So here B option is also incorrect. Next is 90 crore 80 lakh and 700. So option C is the correct answer. As in the D option it is 90 crore 8 lakh and 7. So option D is also incorrect. Here option C is the correct answer for the question. Now the next question is question number 25. Find the sum of the greatest and the least 6-digit numbers formed by digits this, using each digit only once. So we are given with the digits. Let's find out the greatest and the least number. So here greatest number is 765,420. Next is least number formed by the given digits. So here we have the smallest number and the greatest number. So here greatest number is 7,65,420 and the least number is 2,04,567. We have to find out the sum. So we have to add both the numbers and we are having it's 9,69,987. So let's find out which option is the correct. So here option B is the correct answer for the given question. Next is question number 26. Fill in the blanks to make the statement true. We have to find out the correct option out of these 4 options. Let's find it out. Here 6,245 plus bracket 631 plus 751 bracket close. And on the right hand side it is bracket 631 plus dash plus 751. So here left hand side and right hand side are given with the same numbers. So according to the given example, we can observe that this is an associative property. So according to that property, here must be 6,245. So here option A is the correct answer. Now here the next question is question number 27. Find the product of the greatest 3-digit number and the greatest 2-digit number. So here greatest 3-digit number is 999 and we have to find the product. So here 999 is multiplied by greatest 2-digit number. So here 2-digit number is 99. So 999 multiplied by 99 is equal to 98,901. So here option C is the correct answer. Now here the next question is question number 28. State the property associated with example this. So here the example is given to us and we have to state which property is this. So here, according to the example, we can easily say that this is the associativity property of multiplication. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 29. Number that is 1265 is divisible by. We have to find out a number which is exactly divisible by 1265. So here, let's check the divisibility rule of 10. Here, according to divisibility rule of 10, the last digit, or we can say the unit place, must be 0. So here option A is incorrect for this. Option B, that is 11. Now for the 11, we have to check odd and even number. So here 5 is odd, 6 is at the even place. So let's find the difference between sum of odd and even numbers. So here the sum of a number minus sum of odd number is 6 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2. So here we get 7 minus 7 and that is 0. So this is divisible by 11. So option B is the correct answer. Let's check the other options also. For 3, the divisibility rule is we have to find out the sum of all the digits. So here 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 is not divisible by 3. So this option is also not correct. Last is 2. For the divisibility rule for 2, we should have last digit even. But here 5 is an odd number. So it is not following the divisibility rule of 2 also. So here option B is the correct answer. Start the next question. Question number 30 is 3 bells ringing together at intervals of 9, 12 and 15 minutes. If they start ringing together after what time will they next ring together? So we have to find out the timing at which they 3 bells ring together. So let's find out the LCM of these 3 number first. LCM is equal to 180. So here LCM of 9, 12 and 15 is 180. So the bell rings together after 180 minutes. Now, the options are given in the hours. We are going to convert this 180 minutes into hours. So here, after cancelling, we will get 3 hours. Why we have divided by 60? Because we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, we have converted 180 minutes into hours. So, here 3 hours is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Now, the next one is a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the digits in dash place is divisible by 4. So we have to find out the divisibility rule of 4. So here, if a number is given to us and it is divisible by 4 only and only if it's 2 digits. The places are tens and unit. These 2 places means option A is the correct answer for this question. That is unit place and tens place is divisible by 4, only then the number is divisible by 4. So here option A is the correct answer. Now let's start with the next question, that is question number 32. In this question we have to find out the pair of co-prime numbers. So here which of the following sets form co-prime number? So here, first we have to know what are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are the numbers which are having only and only one common factor, that is 1. So here let's find out which set has a co-prime number. Here first one is 21 and 42. So this is not a co-prime number because here 21 is the another common factor here. In the B option also, 43 and 129 is having 43 as another common factor other than 1. So this is also not a co-prime number. Here 12 and 7. Here the common factor is only and only 1. So that's if is 1. So option C is the correct answer. In option D, 3 and 9, the two numbers are there, and here common factor is 3 also other than 1. So here option D is also incorrect. So according to the question, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 33. Which of the following is not found in the given figure? So in this figure we have to find out which option is incorrect for this. So here first is point. So let's check in this figure, is point are available or not? So yes, points are available, A, B, C. These are the 3 points in the figure. So option A is correct. Next is ray. Yes, we can say that we are having a ray in this figure. So option B is also correct. Option C, here line. So a line, we know that line can be extended from both the side, but here we have the starting point. So we can say that option C cannot be found in this given figure. So according to question, we can say that option C is the correct answer. And here moving forward, D option is line segment. We can see line segment also in this figure. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 34. Two angles are said to be adjacent angle if they have. Out of these 4 options, we have to fill the correct option. So here first we have to understand what is an adjacent angle. Adjacent angle are the angles which are formed by a common arm, a common vertex, and an arm that is opposite to the common arm. And these angles do not overlap each other. From a figure, let's understand it and then find the, and then we will going to find out the correct answer. Now this is the figure of two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. So they do not overlap each other. They have a common arm, that is BD. Here AB is opposite to BD, and for the angle 2, BC is opposite to arm BD. So we have a common vertex, common arm, and the third thing is the common arm is opposite to the uncommon arm. So here let's find out the correct option. Option A is a same vertex and a common arm. Yes, we can say that, but one information is more that is missing here. So we a same vertex, a common arm, and the other 2 arms on the opposite side of the common arm. So here we will opt option 2 as a correct answer. Now let's check the next 2 options also. Neither same vertex nor common arm, and the last one is none of these. So out of these 4 options, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Let's start the another question. Which of the following is not a simple closed figure? So out of these 4 options, we have to find out which is the correct option, or we can say that out of these 4 figures, we have to find out which figure is not a simple closed figure. So for a simple closed figure, the things we have to keep in mind are that first thing, the starting and ending point of a closed figure is same. And the second thing is they do not intersect each other. So here in the same figure, the line segments do not intersect. So option A, B, C are simple closed figure, but option D is not a simple closed figure because its starting and ending points are different. So option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 36. How many diagonals and angles does a quadrilateral have? Now let's make a quadrilateral and find out how many diagonals and angles are there in a quadrilateral. So it is a four-sided figure. Now let's name it A, B, C, D. A quadrilateral has 4 line segments. It can be of any shape. So here, let's join the diagonals. AC and BD are the 2 diagonals of this quadrilateral. And let's find out how many angles this have. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So a quadrilateral has 2 diagonals and 4 angles. Let's find out. Here option D is the correct answer as it has 2 diagonals and 4 angles. Just we have seen in the figure also. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 37. Which of the following represent the given number line? So here a number line is given to us and we have to find out the correct representation of this number line. So here from the figure we can see that a number is going towards right hand side, means positive position, that is 0 to 4. It means first step is 4. Now the second is from 4 we are moving towards the negative side. So here let's count the number of steps. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are moving towards 6 steps. So it is plus, minus, 6. So the correct option is option A. That is 4 plus negative 6. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 38. If m and n represent 2 integers then 0, then the value of absolute value of m plus absolute value of n is. So let's take an example. In place of m, let's take 2, and in place of n, let's take 3. So the answer will be 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Or if we take the integer like negative 2 plus negative 3, then the answer will be absolute value of negative 2 is 2, absolute value of negative 3 is 3. So here 2 plus 3 is also 5. So we can see that if the number is negative or if the number is positive, in both the condition the answer is in positive one. So here it doesn't matter the number is negative or positive. If absolute value of m plus absolute value of n is given to us, then the answer must be in positive form. So here option B is the correct answer. Now in this question, question number 39. Which of the following statement is not true? Out of these 4 statements, we have to find out which statement is not true. So let's check the statements. Statement first is, when 2 non-negative integers are added, we always get a positive integer. So here, non-negative integer means both the integers are in the positive form. So let's take an example. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here these 2 integers are non-negative. So here 2 and 3 are non-negative. It means they are positive integers. When we add both them, we always get a positive integer. Yes, the answer is in the positive form. Let's take another example of this statement. 5 plus 2, that is 7. So here it is clear that first statement is true. Now the second statement. When two non-positive integers are added. Non-positive integer means both the integers are in the negative form. So let's take the example for statement second. Minus 2 plus minus 3 minus 5. Here minus 5 plus minus 2, that is minus 7. It means option B is correct as the result is in the negative form. Now let's check statement third. When a positive integer and a negative integer is added. Now the first number is positive and the second number is negative. Here the result is minus 1, and from the second example we get positive 3. So here in this third statement example we observe that both the answers are different. Means first is in the negative form and the second example we get the result in the positive form. So here in option C the result is totally depend upon the integers. So option C is incorrect statement. Now let's read the last statement of this question also. Additive inverse of an integer 2 is negative 2 and additive inverse of minus 2 is 2. So here this statement is true. Now according to question we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 40. The sum of a number n and its negative number is. So here we have to find out the sum of a number n plus a negative number n is equal to plus n plus negative n is 0. So here option C is the correct answer. Here the next question is question number 41. Which of the following statement are true or false? We have to find out which statement is true and which is false. Let's find out of these three statements which is true and which is false. Now let's have a first statement. All even numbers are composite numbers. क्या सारे even numbers composite numbers होते हैं? No, because we have 2 as a even number and 2 is a prime number also, which it has 2 factors, and a composite number is having more than 2 factors. So here this statement is false. Next is all prime numbers are odd numbers. क्या सारे prime number odd numbers होते हैं? No. All numbers are not prime number because 2 is a prime number and 2 is not an odd number. It is a prime number. So this statement is also false. The product of 2 even number is always even. So let's check with an example. 2 multiplied by 4. 2 and 4 are 2 even numbers and statement is product of 2 even number is always even. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Let's take another example also. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24, or you can say that 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. So here all the results are even. Now we can see that in the third statement, the product of 2 even numbers is always even. So this statement is true. So the sequence is false, false, true. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 42. Again we have to find out which statement is true and which is false. Now let's start with the first statement. The opposite side of a triangle are equal in length. So in a triangle, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Yes, this statement is true. Next is all opposite sides of trapezium are parallel. No, this statement is false because in trapezium only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So, second statement is false. Third statement is all the sides of a rhombus are of equal length. Yes, this statement is true because in rhombus all sides are equal. So, here true, false, true. So, according to the option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now, the next question is question number 43. Which of the following statement is our true, false? Again, we have to find out true and false statements. Now, statement 1 is bracket 14 minus 3 minus 8 is equal to 14 minus 3 minus 8. It is a representation of associative property of subtraction. So here, associative property of subtraction not obeys the law. So to confirm it, let's do the solution of this and let's find out whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So here 14 minus 3 is 11 minus 8 is equal to 10 minus. So here we get LHS is not equal to RHS. So here first statement is false. Next is statement second. The smallest positive number is 1. Yes, this statement is true. Smallest positive number is 1. Third is when two negative integers are multiplied, the product is also multiplied. No, the product is always positive when two negative integers are multiplied. Like minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. So the product is positive 6. So here the third statement is false. So the sequence is false, true, false. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 44. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer. Now here in column 1 first is 50 minutes before flight time. Oh, before means negative. So here we have to match with the correct sign. Here negative 50. Now a temperature drop by 20 degrees Celsius. It means drop means negative. So negative 20. An increase of 50 points. Increase means positive sign. So here increase of 40 points is represented by plus 50. So sequence is 2, 3, 1. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 45. This is again a match the column. Let's find out the solution of first part. Sum of predecessor and successor of number 4,99,999. So we have to find out the sum of predecessor and successor of this number. So predecessor of this number is 499,998 plus successor of this number is plus 1, we get 5,0,0,0,0. So here the sum is 99,998. So here is the answer. Now the second is successor of this number. So here let's add them. So our answer is 10 lakh and we have to find out the successor of 10 lakh. So successor of 10 lakh is 10 lakh 1. The answer of successor of 10 lakh. Now the next is predecessor of this number. Let's find out the predecessor. First we are going to add them. So here the predecessor of 5,64,050 is 5,64,049. So here the sequence is 3, 2, 1. So here 3, 2, 1 is the second yani B option. So here B option is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 46. We have to again do the match the column. Now here we are having Hindu Arabic number in the column 1 and a Roman number in the column 2. So we have to match Hindu Arabic number to its Roman number. So let's find out the answer. 967. So it is here CMLXVII. So this is the correct representation of 967 in a Roman number. Now let's have 534. So here DXXXIV. So representation of 534 is DXXXIV. Now the last one is 385. So here CCCLXXXV is the correct representation of this Hindu Arabic number. So here the sequence is 213. Option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 47. This question is based on the paragraph and the paragraph is Mayank consume each of mango juice cane price at rupees 50 and lychee juice cane price at rupees 60 every day. So the information is given to us. Let's see the question. Money spent by Mayank on lychee juice in 5 days is. So we have to find out the amount spent by Mayank on lychee juice in 5 days. So price rate of lychee juice is rupees 60 and Mayank is continuously spending money on this lychee juice for 5 days. So it is 60 multiplied by 5. Here the answer is rupees 300. So option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 48. Total money spent by Mayank in 3 days is. So we have to find out the total money spent on these two juices, that is mango juice and lychee juice. So here mango juice cost is rupees 50 multiplied by 3 because continuously for 3 days he is consuming mango juice, plus lychee juice rate is 60 rupees and Mayank is also lychee juice for next 3 days also. So let's find out the total amount spent on these two juices. 50 multiplied by 3 is 150 plus 60 multiplied by 3 is 180. So here 150 plus 180 is 330. So rupees 330 is the total money spent by Mayank in 3 days. Here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 49. Question number 49 is based on the paragraph and the information is a polygon is entirely made up of straight lines. Only a hexagon ABCDEF is a 6-sided figure. So here hexagon is given to us and it is given that hexagon is of 6 sides. So here let's check the question. How many angles are there in the hexagon? So let's count the number of angles in a hexagon. So here angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total we have 6 angles in a hexagon. So option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 50 and this is the last question of this part. So here question number 50 is how many line segments are there in the hexagon. So we have to find out how many line segments are there. Here let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 6 line segments in the hexagon. So here option B is the correct answer. So I hope you all understood the solution of this part. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 6 reasoning conducted on 22 October 2023. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So question number 51 and 52. Choose the correct alternative that will continue the same pattern and replace the question mark in the given series. So series is 6, 11, 21, 36, 56 and find the next number. First, find the pattern of the question. So pattern of the question is find the difference between first term and second term is plus 5. Now adding plus 10. 11 plus 10 it means 21. Now 21 plus 15 it means 36. Now similarly 36 plus 20 it means 56. Similarly plus 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20. Now adding plus 25 in 56 it means 81. 81. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 52. Series is 2, 15, 41, 80 and find the next number. So according to question, first find the pattern of the question. So 2 to 15. 2 to 15 it means plus 13. Now 15 to 41 it means 26. Now 41 plus 39 it means 81 plus 13 plus 26 plus 39 13 26 39. Now adding plus 52. 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 3 ja 39 and 13 4 ja 52. Now adding 52 in 80. So 80 plus 52 it means 132. So 132 is the next sum of this series. It means option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 53. In the given question, various terms of an alphabet series are given with one term missing as shown by question mark. Choose the missing term out of the given alternative. So series is A, G, L, P, S and find the next alphabet of this series. So position of A in English alphabet is 1. Position of G in English alphabet is 7. Position of L in English alphabet is 12. Position of P is 16. Position of S in English alphabet is 19. So pattern of the question is plus 6. 1 to 7 it means plus 6. 7 to 12 it means plus 5. Now 12 to 16 it means plus 4. 16 to 19 it means plus 3. Plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3. Now plus 2. So 19 plus 2 it means 21. So 21 means U. So U is the next term of this series. So here is option C is the correct answer. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 54. Rahul started walking straight towards east. He walks a certain distance and then turns his right and walk again. Find the direction he is walking now. Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 main directions. One is north. This one is east, south and west. And there are 4 cardinal direction. One is northeast, southeast, southwest and this one is northwest. So according to question, Rahul started walking straight towards east. Rahul starting walking is in east. He walks a certain distance, and then turns right and walks again. Find the direction. He is walking now. So, finally, walking direction of Rahul is south. So, here is option D is the correct answer of this question. So, let's move on to the next question. So, next question is question number 55. Choose the correct mirror image of the given figure X from amongst the four alternatives. So, find the mirror image of the given question. So, draw the mirror image of the given question look like as follows. So, this is the correct mirror image of the given figure. Because the object is near the mirror, it's remain near the mirror in the mirror image. So, it means option C is the correct mirror image of this figure. So, correct answer is option C. So, let's move on to the next question. So, next question is question number 56. Choose the correct water image of the given figure X from amongst the four alternatives. So, find the water image of the given figure. Water image of the given figure. So, outer figure of the figure in water. So, circle is the near the water. It will remain near the water in water image. And water image of triangles. So, water image of given triangles is look like as follows. It means option B is the correct water image of the given figure. So, here option B is the correct answer. So, let's move on to the next question. So, next question is question number 57. In a row, all the people are facing north. Rahul is 33rd place from the left and in the right side of Rahul, there are only 16 people. Find out total number of people in this row. So, according to question, position of Rahul from left side is 33rd. And in the right side of the Rahul. So, this is the right side of Rahul and this is the left side of Rahul. So, in the right side of Rahul, there are only 16 people. So, find out total number of people in this row. So, total people in this row is equals to 33 plus 16. 33 plus 16. It means 49. So, here is 49 people in this row. It means option C is the correct answer of this question. So, let's move on to the next question. So, next question is question number 58. Using board mass, what is the value of given expression? So, expression is 100 multiplied by 10 minus 1000 plus 1000 divided by 100 minus 10. So, find the value of given expression. Using board mass rule, B means bracket, O means order of power, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition and S means subtraction. So, first divide the numbers. So, 100 multiplied by 10 minus 1000 plus 1000 divided by 10. It means 1000 divided by 10, it means 10 minus 10. Now, multiply the numbers. 100 multiplied by 10, it means 1000 minus 1000 plus 10 minus 10. 1000 minus 1000, it means 0. Plus 10 minus 10, it means again 0. Now 0 plus 0, it means 0. So here is 0 is the correct value of the given expression. So option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 59. Find out from amongst the four alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line. When given image is to be folded along the dotted line, then we will get the image like this. It means option B is the correct answer of this question, because option B show the correct folded image of the given figure. So here option B is the correct answer. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 60, in which question consists of a set of three figures X, Y and Z showing a sequence of folding of a piece of paper. Figure Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. These three figures are followed by four answer figures, from which you have to choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfold from of figure Z. So find the unfold paper. It means find the figure of X, because X is represent unfold paper. Unfold the paper in the same sequence in which it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first find the mirror image of Z, it's represent Y. When find the mirror image of Z, it's represent Y. Now find the mirror image of Y, it represent X. Now find the image of X, because X represents unfold paper. So first of all, find the mirror image of Z. So mirror image of Z look like as follows. Mirror image of Z, it's represent Y. Now find the mirror image of Y, it's represent X. So mirror image of Y, it represents X, and X represents unfold paper. So this is the unfold paper. So here is correct answer is option D. So option D is the correct answer of this question. Okay, thank you everyone.